This segment of the Water Distribution Operator Training Series will focus on a very important but sometimes overlooked part of the water distribution system: fire hydrants. Hydrants have a number of important functions, the most obvious being that of fighting fires. But since they are seldom used for that purpose in many smaller communities, it's easy to forget how important they are. Fire hydrants need to be properly spaced and fed by an adequate distribution system. Hydrants that operate properly and provide adequate flow can make the difference between losing or saving property and lives during a serious fire. Having an efficient and properly maintained system in place can also result in substantial savings in fire insurance for residents. In most communities, the water utility is responsible for installing and maintaining hydrants. Distribution system operators have both moral and legal responsibilities to keep hydrants in good working order. In addition to fire suppression, other uses for hydrants include the flushing of water mains to clear the pipes of rust and sediment, testing of flow rates, and for testing and maintaining an effective water quality program. Fire hydrants also furnish large volumes of water for flushing sewers and filling tank trucks for various purposes, including street cleaning, tree spraying, and construction purposes.